Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss exercise 12.1 of NCERT book. First question says, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. You can see a traffic signal board I have made in which school ahead is written, is an equilateral triangle with side A. Look at this, side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? Here perimeter of this signal board is given. It is 180 cm. So the sum of the sides of this equilateral triangle will be A plus A plus A, which is 3A is equal to 180 cm. So A will be 180 by 3, that is 60 cm. Last day we have calculated area of equilateral triangle as root 3 by 4A square using Heron's formula. So this formula can be used. At the place of A we will put 60 into 60. So it is calculated as 900 root 3 centimeter square. Question number 2 says the triangular side wall of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The side of the wall are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company had one of its wall for 3 months. We have to find how much rent will be paid by the company. So here when you see the triangle ABC, this angle is looking like 90 degree. Also if you will calculate AB square, which is 122 whole square, is coming 14884. Similarly, the sum of the squares of these two sides BC and AC is also coming 14884. It shows that Pythagoras theorem is applicable here. So from this we can conclude that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So we can find its area by half base into height. For the base we will take BC as 120 meter and for height we will take 22. So its area is coming 1320 meter square or 1320 meter square. Now according to the question, for 12 months, if this triangular part is taken for advertisement, its rent is rupees 5,000 per meter square. So for 1 month, by unitary method we can calculate it is rupees 5,000 divided by 12. So for 3 months, what will be the rent? It is rupees 1250. Now the area which we have to take for the rent is 1320 and rent rupees 1250. When these two will be multiplied, we will get total rent paid by the company within 3 months. Question number 3 says, there is a slide in a park. One of its side wall has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. Means this part is painted. If the sides of the wall is 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, we have to find the area painted in color. You can see this side is 11, this side is 6 and this side is 15. All the 3 sides of a triangle is given. Easily by Heron's formula you can try the area of this triangle. So you will find it out. Let us move to question number 4. In question number 4 it is given that find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 cm and 10 cm and the perimeter is 42 cm. Here I took a triangle ABC, two of the side is 18 and 10. Third side is not given but the perimeter is given. We know perimeter is given 42 cm, which is equal to the sum of the 3 sides 18 plus 10 plus x. So 18 plus 10 will be 28. So when this 28 will come this side, you will get the third side as 14 cm. So the 3 sides are 18, 10 and 14. Now all the 3 sides are known. You can apply Heron's formula to find its area. Question number 5 is side of the triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 cm. Last day we have discussed this type of questions. So you will do this question number 5. I am discussing question number 6. Question number 6 is an Isosceles triangle has a perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. We have to find the area of the triangle. You can see an isosceles triangle I have made in which AB is equal to AC and both the sides are taken 12 centimeter. Its perimeter is 30 centimeter. So this can be written as 12 plus 12 plus BC, 12 plus 12 plus BC. So BC can be calculated by bringing this 24 this side. Sum of 12 plus 12 is 24. So 30 minus 24 will be 6 centimeter. Now you can see all the three sides are calculated. So we can find its area. Now students, we will discuss exercise 12.2. See question number 1. Question number 1 is a path in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD in which angle C is 90 degree, AB 9 meter, BC 12 meter, CD 5 meter and AD 8 meter. Question is how much area does it occupy? You can see this is a quadrilateral. For solving, first we will join BD. If you will see in right angle triangle BCD, angle C is 90 degree, so BD becomes an hypotenuse. Now we can calculate BD by Pythagoras theorem. This BD will be under root BC square plus DC square. BC square is 12 square, DC is 5 meter square. So 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. So it is under root 169, so it is coming 13 meter. Now easily we can find area of BDC by the formula half base into height. It is half DC base and height is BC. So DC, at the place of DC we can put 5 into 12, which is coming 30 meter square. Now we can calculate area of ABD by Heron's formula. For that we will add all the three sides. The sides of ABD are AB, BD and AD. Let us add 8, 9 and 13 divided by 2 will give you the perimeter. So 30 by 2 is giving us semi-perimeter as 15 meter. Now we will calculate its area by Heron's formula under root S minus first side, S minus second side, S minus third side. So it will be 15, 15 minus 8, 15 minus 9, 15 minus 13. So we have 15 into 7 into 6 into 2. Now 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 7 no change, 6 is 2 into 3 and 2. You can see 2 2's are there and 2 3's are there. So 1 3 and 1 2 will come out and under root bracket we have 5 into 7, that is root 35. So it is coming 6 root 35 meter square. For calculating area of ABCD, we have to add area of BDC and area of ABD, which I have added here. Area of BDC is 30 meter square and area of ABD is 6 root 35 meter square. If you will calculate root 35, which you have studied in class 8, it is coming 5.90 meter square. So when you multiply these two, you have 35.40, which is added with 30 meter square. Sum is 65.40 meter square approximately. Question number 2 says that find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter and DA 5 centimeter and AC length is also 5 centimeter. For calculating this area of this quadrilateral, we can observe here in triangle ABC. See, this one is 3, this one is 4. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. AC square is coming 25. If we will check AC square, is it coming equal to BA square plus BC square? So, if this angle we will take 90 degree, this side is opposite to 90 degree. So, hypotenuse square is coming equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So, we can conclude that angle B is 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, we can easily calculate area of this triangle by half base into height. Base we will take 3 and height we will take 4. Area of triangle ABC will be calculated. Now for the triangle ADC, we have all the three sides 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Area of this triangle can be calculated by Heron's formula. Then we will add area of both the triangles. Question number 3 says, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in the figure. We have to find the area of the total paper used. If you see the paper shape you can see there are three triangles, one rectangle and one trapezium. We have to find the area of the paper used here. You can see the first part is in the form of isosceles triangle. If this is 5 cm, this side will also be 5 cm. If you compare with this side will also become 1 cm. So first part area can be calculated by Heron's formula by adding these three sides, and first you will calculate semi-perimeter, then its area by Heron's formula. This second part, this length is given 6.5 cm and this length is given 1 cm. This is a rectangle, so its area can be calculated by L into B, which is 6.5 into 1 cm. Now, this part third is in the form of trapezium, whose all the four sides are given to you. Apply the formula of area of trapezium and find its area. Then part 4 and part 5, both are in the shape of right angle triangle. So we can use half base into height. Base you will take 6 cm and height you will take 1.5 cm. So part 4 area will also be calculated in the same manner. Thereafter, all the area of different parts, total 5 parts, you will add. You will get the area of the sheet used to make this aeroplane. Students, your homework is exercise 14 of R.S. Agarwal book, question number 11 to 20. Till question number 10, I have already given you homework in my previous video. And exercise 12.1 and 12.2 from question number 1 to 3 you will complete. In my next video, I will discuss remaining questions of exercise 12.2.